English-Tagalog Translation, Lesson number 14. Remove the lid. Remove the lid. Kahulugan, alisin mo ang takip. On whose orders? On whose orders? Kaninong utos? Take your pick. Take your pick. Pumili ka. I feel like something is off. I feel like something is off. Parang may mali. What did he ask for in return? What did he ask for in return? Anong hiningi niyang kapalit? I don't want to talk about it anymore. I don't want to talk about it anymore. Ayoko nang pag-usapan yon. I knocked on the door but nobody answered. I knocked on the door but nobody answered. Kumatok ako sa pinto pero walang sumagot. What else did she say? What else did she say? Ano pang sinabi niya? I'll put the kettle on. I'll put the kettle on. Isasalang ko ang takore. I know nothing about it. I know nothing about it. Wala akong alam doon. What do they want? What do they want? Anong gusto nila? Do you know where she is now? Do you know where she is now? Alam mo ba kung nasaan na siya ngayon? Have you had your hair cut? Have you had your hair cut? Nagpagupit ka ba? It's their problem. It's their problem. Problema nila yon. I hope the sun comes up. I hope the sun comes up. Sana umaraw. I have a lot on my mind. I have a lot on my mind. Marami akong iniisip. Lots of people complained about the noise. Lots of people complained about the noise. Maraming nagreklamo sa ingay. O kaya, maraming taong nagreklamo sa ingay. I'm not going to interfere. I'm not gonna interfere. Hindi ako makikialam. I can't tell you that. I can't tell you that. Hindi ko pwedeng sabihin sa'yo yun. Is there anyone else here? Is there anyone else here? May iba pa bang tao rito? I turn off the lights to save electricity. I turn off the lights to save electricity. Pinapatay ko ang mga ilaw para makatipid sa kuryente. My license will expire at the end of the year. My license will expire at the end of the year. Mapapaso ang lisensya ko sa katapusan ng taon. I found a 100 real bill in my pocket. I found a 100 real bill in my pocket. Nakakita ako ng 100 real sa bulsa ko. Can I have one? Can I have one? Pwede akong humingi ng isa? Or pwedeng pahingi ng isa? I was with Emmy at the time. I was with Emmy at the time. Kasama ko si Emmy noon. I'm used to working long hours. I'm used to working long hours. Sanay akong magtrabaho ng mahabang oras. You can't back out now. You can't back out now. Hindi ka na pwedeng umayaw ngayon. I'm learning to drive a car. I'm learning to drive a car. Nag-aaral akong magmaneho ng kotse. We jumped into the water. We jumped into the water. Tumalon kami sa tubig. I left my dog with Raleigh. I left my dog with Raleigh. Iniwan ko kay Rolly ang aso ko. She's having an affair with a married man. She's having an affair with a married man. Nakikipagrelasyon siya sa isang lalaking may asawa. Wipe your lipstick off with a tissue. Wipe your lipstick off with a tissue. Punasan mo ng tissue yung lipstick mo. How do you say thank you in French? How do you say thank you in French? Paano mo sasabihin sa French ang thank you?